Oh, hey everyone, Logansfarm here. Just got off work and it is fucking hot out. 91 degrees plus the relative heat index plus the humidity. But what I'm gonna do, I think the beer is gonna taste real good today, so I'm gonna chug this down and chug this down. Or get as far as I can before I decide to cut the video off, you know. But we got Ham's Special Light and we got Green Belt Premium Light. We'll start with this slightly not as good taste. The Green Belt I put above this, but this isn't bad. I've already reviewed both of these, so can't do a review. Oh boy. Oh, there you go, Rugby. There's some burps. Whew. There's just a little swallow left in this one. Whew. Oh, that's tasting good. Sweating my ass off all day. That's gone. Whew. Gotta let the bubbles come out. Not gonna waste perfectly good beers by drinking it quite too fast and having to throw up a bunch of foam. I'd say it's a beautiful day out if it wasn't for being so hot. Oh, yeah. Be a very beautiful day. If it was about 20 degrees cooler, 30 degrees cooler. Yeah. Yes, the beer's going down very well today. Oh, what is it today? Monday, July 23rd. About 5:30 right now. Ooh. Hey, Rugby, lots of burps for you. But you can see, whew, starting to sweat my ass off just since I came back out here from the air conditioning. Oops. But I'm going to finish my cigarette and go enjoy some more beers. So, everybody, have a good day.